Welcome to this AMIGA 4000 video part 4. Now usually I never do anything outside the camera, so I share my first experience with you guys, okay? But this time I have cheated a bit because you have to watch video 1, 2 and 3 to let this video makes any kind of sense. But it's a newly purchased AMIGA and I usually have my first experience with you guys, so I will test the floppy drives, I will test these cards, everything on camera, experience with you, learn with you. That's how we do it on this channel. That's why my channel is so different than others. I don't read 20 pages of Wikipedia about a floppy drive. So we're just learning by doing, and if you're a subscriber then you know how it is. Now, this one came with these two floppy drives, so I have cheated a little bit because I have actually opened both of them up. I have adjusted the stepper motor, I have cleaned the head, I have lubricated, I have done everything I can. Floppy disk number 2, it's dead. Now we're running with Kickstart 3.1, so I can boot with DF1. So DF1 is completely dead. Now, if I put into DF0 over here, then it will try to boot and go dead again. So both disk drives after cleaning, they are just dead and adjusting and whatever. So we're gonna install my GoCheck drive here. Oh, it's on DF1. I will switch the jumper to DF0. So we're gonna test this AMIGA with a GoCheck drive because both floppy drives are just unsavable. They're worn out. So I have cheated a little bit more. Stay with me. This card, I have no idea if it works. No idea. But this one, with the built-in hard disk, the GVP card, RAM-hard disk, I have tested it. Okay, and it works, it boots, it showed RAM errors, and I took up 2 of the RAM chips, and if you can, no you can't see it. It has got a ding here at the top of the memory block. Yeah, this one. If you can see these 3, they have got a ding up there, and yeah. And you can't just take one of them out. It has to be in pairs. So this one can have 2 megabyte, 4, 6 or 8 megabyte. So I took them out and I installed my own RAM here up top, and adjusted the jumper, everything perfect at 4 megabyte. And now when I'm running tests, no errors on this card. So this card to the left, let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it works. It's perfect. And later in this video I will install this card, and I really hope that it works, guys. So let's install the GoCheck and this beautiful drive and power the AMIGA on. There we go. Okay, so the hard disk is spinning like crazy. So if you have watched part 1, then you will have seen that this AMIGA had cables out here at the keyboard socket, and it had stuff like this hanging out there. This one is for on and off switch for the X-ray card. It was at jumper 2, so I just jumpered it. It's for on and off, so it's just on constantly. Over here we had the same switch. You can see this blue one for hard disk auto boot, double enable or disable. I removed that cable again because hanging loose cables, I hate them. So off with that, and it's jumpered for auto boot always. So this is nice. The hard disk boots up after 25 years. That's just beautiful. It wants MIUI. And while it is loading, I want to show you that I have cleaned the keyboard. Look at how beautiful it looks. It needs to be retro brighted, but it's only the right side I need to retro bright. The left side that I can just keep in here and use. That's nice. So we have got this beautiful picture over here. As you can see, we have got 1 megabyte of chip RAM and 4 megabyte of fast RAM just up here, which is nice. The hard disk is booted up, and as you can see here, it contains, I mean, this one came with the video digitalizer, VLAB something. It has games, Pirates and Theme Park. Sorry guys, that's nice. Kind Words, Maxi Plane Plus. Oh, I love all this blinking stuff from the 80s. Maxi Plane, something. Quit. You don't want to quit? Quit. There we go. We have got GTX, whatever that is. Track this device. X clicker. Oh, it's a no drive DF0. No click. Still clicks. Ah, okay, it's a no clicker. That's nice. Yeah, system, final writer, display. Get out of there. Space graphics. Yeah, it came with this VLAB card that I'm never gonna use. Yeah, a lot of stuff inside here. I mean, the hard disk, it just works super nice, man. Let's get the hard disk to the right over here. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at this beauty. Graphic. Imagine low-res pictures. Nice. Danneball, that's our flag. Crystal Girl. Ford RS 200. Honda Civic. I think a lot of 3D tanning. That's nice. I mean, this Amiga has been pictures. This Amiga has definitely been used for, you know, graphic. Not, got a lot of discs with games, but a lot of graphical stuff, and you could see the video capture and stuff like that, guys. Amy Face, Connie's, oh, these are D and Puss, Marie Sex, and yeah. This is 80s porn. So yeah, we have a lot of dirty pictures here. And more pictures. I will see. Flasky, that's a bottle. Yeah, a lot of stuff on the hard disk, which VLAB, that's from Scala. What? Oh man, yeah. I'm just gonna clean this hard disk completely, just format it after this video. Just remove everything here. Blizzard, what's Blizzard? Let's check Blizzard out. Blizzard, it's Diablo 1. Choose delay. Oh, I think it's a screensaver. Green. Start. Ah, nice. So guys, this card works. That's beautiful. Let's insert the big card over there. And if that one works, I would be absolutely... Oh, nice. We've got a screensaver. That, if it works, I will be so happy. So I will just put in my USB now, so we have sysinfo.
Oh.
Yeah, floppy drives are dead. Now we're using, I will buy some new floppy drives. RAM was dead, I installed a new one, so keep it positive. This is old hardware and stuff can be dead. Now this is sysinfo 4.4, and if we take speed, then it will say that it's a 7 megahertz. The CPU is down there. Beautiful CPU that, 99% of all AMIGA software can run with this CPU. So do we need more speed? Not really. If you wanna, unless you wanna use, PC stuff, but who cares about stuff like that? Or this video stuff, and yeah, who cares about that also? So we have got 7 megahertz, and we have got, where's the memory over there? We have got 4 megabytes of RAM there. That's beautiful, and 1 megabyte chip. That's nice. Let's check out boards, and it will show us Zorro 2 with 4 megabyte RAM, GVP series 2, 8X plus whatever. Let's just go in and install this beauty over there. Cross our fingers. Just hope that it works. Sysinfo. Okay guys, so this beautiful GVP A2000 030 combo card is installed with the onboard 4 megabytes of RAM. Now, upgrading to the 030 processor, now we're entering the 32-bit era. So what's gonna happen, because this one has RAM, this one has RAM. So let's just check out sysinfo and see how it will react. So again, we use the same, exact same sysinfo 4.4, and if we take speed comparison here, then we can see in a second that this beautiful, there the CPU. Then you can see here that it runs with an 68030 and also FPU, the 6888-2. Smell the rubber. This is pure awesomeness. So if you just expand it over here, then you can see it will be just like an AMIGA 3000. Why is it faster than the 3000? That's because, this graph shows an AMIGA 3000 at 25 megahertz. And this CPU runs at 40 megahertz. So it's a very, very fast system, which is highly compatible with WHD AMIGA games and AMIGA demos. Again, PC stuff, put in that Raspberry Pi and you can emulate all that shit. For running AMIGA stuff, this is a dream setup. What I'm interested in is actually when we go into RAM, how will it react? As you can see up here, it says Zorro 2, 3 cards, memory and SCSI. Now this one, we're running with this card, but after installing this one, this SCSI drive and the old slow 16-bit RAM are pretty obsolete. So why didn't this guy just take out the hard disk from this and use the SCSI controller over here? I have no idea. I will definitely test that. Or was he thinking about keeping the RAM and for convenience just, I don't know. I mean, don't you get the idea? With this new card, then this is pretty obsolete. The hard disk loading speed will be much faster using this Zorro slot. But yeah, let's go in and see how it reads the memory, if it crashes or what's gonna happen. As you can see, it says 4 megabyte fast RAM. Now the interesting part is that it shows it at 32-bit fast RAM. That means the first RAM that it detects and shows is the fast RAM 32-bit on this Blizzard awesome 030 card. If we say next, yeah. Now it says 4 megabyte fast RAM. And that's the fast RAM that's installed here. Those four, you can see how small the first two are, and these are the new ones I installed. So second one, it will show fast RAM, and the third part will be 1 megabyte of chip RAM. And you know, ground rule number one, RETROCENGO's Amigas needs to have 2 megabyte chip RAM. So let me hear on the comments down below, for the Amiga 2000, what's the best, easiest plug and play way to get 2 megabyte of chip RAM? Because this Amiga is so beautiful, it's gonna be my keeper Amiga. I'm absolutely loving this. The case, the motherboard, everything. Of course, the floppy drives are dead, but I mean, if this one was dead only, then I could install a GoCheck drive and have a, because I love floppies. Amiga is floppies. I mean, I love these old floppy disks, and with this Amiga, I got hundreds of new floppy disks that I'm gonna, you know, look at and enjoy. But as of right now, both drives are dead. That's a bummer, man. There we go. Now it will actually, it's looking for the floppy, of course, but with this configuration, now we're missing the VLAB card. It can't find a lot of stuff, as you can hear. I'm just gonna format everything. Morph, real 3D, WCS, who cares? Look at this, 8 megs of RAM. And it's snappier because we're running at all 30 games. Ooh, nice. Guys, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one. On the next part, yeah, we have a lot of parts with this one. On the next part, I'm gonna install the top, and I got a little surprise for you that will go on top of the top. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day out there, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.